Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to install latest version of Python. So without wasting your time, let's move to Google. Here is it. Now type Python and this is the official website of Python. You have to open this. Now you can see downloads. In downloads you get the latest version of Python 3.14.3. Click on it and save. Done. Now downloading is completed. Use admin, add python.exe path, and with the customization, you get the documentation pip, tdtk, and next. Now you have to install. Work in progress. So setup was successful. Now you have to close. Now open cmd to check what version we have right now. Now write python version python dot 3.14.3 as you can see here. So we have successfully downloaded the latest version. Now we have to write IDLE, open it to check is it work properly or not. Print colon hello. So we have successfully downloaded the latest version of Python.